Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about Babylon airdrop. So actually we're going to see how to claim their NFT currently, and Binance Lab have invested in this project, guys. So this is huge thing, and they have already raised a huge amount of fundraise, and much more well-known names have invested in this project. So recently people were actually able to stake their Bitcoin and then claim their Pioneer Pass. Okay, so this series got over now. So when I was actually trying to do this one Bitcoin staking, testnet staking only, but this thing got over. What you can do now is you can actually claim this NFT. Okay, so this Babylon Beacon NFT, and even this has very less time only. Here you can see the time, it will end soon. Okay, so we gotta claim this soon. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys in this video how you can get this NFT now. So as of now you can see we are in the Babylon series 2. Okay, even if you go inside their Discord account you will get to know. So in the recent post they have said our season 2 Babylon Galaxy campaign is live. Okay, so we'll be able to claim this NFT in Babylon series 2, but the thing is, in order to claim this NFT user must have this Bitcoin Pioneer Pass. Okay, but unfortunately it got over. Here you can see thank you for participating in the Pioneer Pass NFT event. It is actually over. Okay, if you go inside their Discord also you can see it was very short period. Okay, February 28th or something like that they started, they ended it today, I guess. I'm not sure how long it was there, but it was very short period of time they ended their Bitcoin staking. Okay, so which is testnet thing, we could have done that, but unfortunately I missed it. But what I'm going to show you in this video is how to get this NFT. Okay, Babylon Beacon series 2 NFT, but actually we will not be able to get this series 2 currently because we can't complete this task now. So what we can do now is we can actually get this series 1 NFT. Okay, so you can see here just now I climbed this Babylon series 1 NFT. So you can climb this and you have time until March 5th. Okay, so try to do this process as soon as possible because you have 2 more days left, I mean 3 more days left in order to climb these things. So what you need to do, I'll show you step by step process what and all you have to do in order to claim this Babylon Beacon series 1 NFT. Simple task only, guys, but currently what you can do is their series 2 Babylon Galaxy campaign is live. So I'm gonna show you guys in this video how you can claim this NFT. Okay, Beacon badge NFT. So must watch this video until the very end. So before we start our video, if this is your first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the like button and continue watching it. Many of you are watching my videos without liking it. It hardly takes 1 second of your time to hit the like button, guys. And this is our Telegram channel, guys. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time information, airdrop details, airdrop link, everything. So in case if you haven't followed me here, must follow me here, guys. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I'll be leaving the required links inside my Telegram channel itself, so you can access it there. So just come inside this Galaxy task, guys. This is the main thing which we have to do currently. So once you come inside, first thing you need to connect your wallet and everything. So once you connect your wallet, just click on their Discord thing. Okay, so we just need to click on accept and go inside and so do the verification and follow the Discord account, then we'll be able to complete this task. Okay, so I've already completed the verification, that's why it's showing. So go inside and complete the verification. Once you complete the verification, so come back here and just do the refresh, then it will get the tick mark. Okay, and the next thing is just click on the Twitter account and just go inside, follow them, and come back here and do this refresh button, and again click on the Twitter account. We just need to go inside and like them, and again come back here and do the refresh. Do the refresh and just click on the retweet and click on the repost and cancel this and do check it, and just click on this like, and then click on this like and just click on the like button, and once you complete both of these tasks, just do the refresh and finally again retweet. So we have to do these kind of just like and retweet only. So here you can see the quote a tweet. Okay, so just click on that and we gotta quote the tweet. So once you click on the post, again come back here and do the refresh, then that will done. So again click on like, just go inside the Telegram channel also, just follow them and come back and do the refresh, and even that will get done. And just click on the visit and then it will take you here. Just click on continue to access, and here just visit the page and again go back and click on this refresh and again click on this visit this another page. Just click on continue to access. So here you need to complete the Zeely task also. Okay, so here you will be having some Zeely task, so just need to complete those things. Okay, first thing, join us on the Discord, you can do that, and follow them on the Twitter, same thing only. So I'll show you how you can do this also, a few examples. So once you visit and come back here, and finally here you can see survey, claim Signet Bitcoin. Okay, so go to this faucet and insert your Signet BTC address and click send testnet Bitcoin and submit your transaction ID below to complete that transaction. Okay, so this is one way of doing. There is another way is you can go to this mempool.space, and here you can see a lot of transaction will be going on. Just choose one transaction and copy the transaction address. Okay, so once you copy it, come back here and click on start and just paste the address and click on submit. This task will get done. And next thing is quiz. Okay, so Pioneer Babylon chain page, so just click on the start the quiz, and what are the two wallets you need to participate in the Babylon testnet. Okay, so the two wallet is OKX and Kepler only, so just choose A answer and click on the submit button. So once you click on the submit button, we have completed all these tasks. Okay, and now we'll be able to mint this NFT and we'll be able to get 30 points. Okay, so just click on this one and click on skip. So once your MetaMask pop up now, so we just need to click on the confirm, and once you click on the confirm, the transaction has been submitted. Okay, so now you can see it, we have successfully claimed it. So now here you can see, guys, we have successfully claimed the NFT. So must claim this NFT, guys, and after that what you need to do is just go to their Zeely is there. Okay, so here also you'll be able to get much more XPs. Okay, so just click on this join us Discord. Okay, so just click on the join the server. We have already joined the server now, so just come back here and click on claim. So once you click on the claim, here you can see quest will get completed automatically. Then just click on the next quest. Okay, and next thing is just click on follow, and even we have followed them already for the Twitter task now. So just come back here and click on claim, and then the quest will get completed, and click on next quest and join their official channel. So just click on the join and click on open and join their official channel, and come back here and click on claim, and then your rewards will get claimed. Okay, and click on next quest again, and here we need to join another Telegram channel only. So just click on that and open it, and we have already joined there. Just click on the claim again and it will get claimed, and click on next quest. So here we have to subscribe to their YouTube channel and we have to send the screenshot of it. Okay, so just to click on the YouTube channel and do the subscribe. So once you take the screenshot and again go back there, and here just click on choose a file and drag, and here just click on just choose a file and open your screenshot and paste the screenshot which you took there. So I have just subscribed to their channel. This is the proof, and click on claim. And here you can see the quest in review. So after the review we'll be able to claim the reward. Okay, so just click on the next one, and here we need to submit a screenshot of confirming your follow to their account and make sure the account profile is visible. So here also we need to follow them inside their this account called Medium. Okay, so just click on this one, just take the screenshot of following them. So once you follow them, guys, after you followed them, just take the screenshot and come back here and click on the claim, and then it will be in the review. Okay, so once it's done, we'll be able to claim these things. And the next quest is actually LinkedIn also. So you need to go inside their LinkedIn, and then we need to follow them, and then come back here and we need to paste the link. Okay, so guys, once you click on follow, just copy take a screenshot of it, and again come back here and just click on choose a file and paste the screenshot which you took there. Okay, so we have completed this also, and click on claim. So finally the next quest. So the next quest is we need to do the same thing with the Reddit also, guys. You gotta do this for everything. Just go inside and follow, and just join here, and I'm going to take the screenshot. Once you join there, just take the screenshot and come back here and again upload that screenshot here. Okay, so just click on claim again, and even this will be in the review. Okay, So next we have almost completed all the quest. Okay, so currently these quests are in review, so once it got reviewed then we'll be able to claim the XP. Okay, so try to complete this quest also guys for this Babylon chain, and try to claim this NFT. Okay, so it's a free of cost only, so just complete the social task and claim these NFTs. And Binance Lab have invested in this project, and surely in the future they could do something for the people who interacted early in their platform, in their project. Okay, so pretty much that's it guys in this video. I hope you all like this video. If you do so, hit the like button, and thank you guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end.